Yo, what's up, guys? Welcome to Bin Garage.
I'm taking over.
He's taking over. All right, so we're just hanging out. It is mildly humid, not too hot, I guess.
It's all right.
Let's look at your forehead and see.
Is there sweat?
Yeah, okay. So we're at at least over 70 something. So the garage is once again a mess. RX-7 things. So
RX-7.
yes, RX-7 things. So we got the RX-7 going, running, and I got some good news. We're gonna go over right now. So the RX-7 basically needed coil packs, and that sucks. But it was just one bankside coil packs. A few different issues. I mean, the engine's wore out, but I can boost. I can get on it again. Like, this thing sounds like a crappy truck with a turbo, because it is a crappy truck with a turbo with an RX-7 body. So I put some really sweet LED lights so I can see at night. Go out driving again. I might actually clean this, and I've got another set of those for the rear. So they come like, I thought for eBay wheels, or whatever you want to call these, like knockoffs, I thought these were going to be sort of cheap. They really were not. So I don't know if you guys in the comments, if this is like a company that's like their quality is really good, but I know it comes with a wheel condom. There, that's how it fits. So fancy shit.
80s Mazda. Lovely.
Speaking of, let's talk about your car.
My car.
Yeah.
All right. So we got a 13 FRS. It's pretty beat up. She is driven hard, put away wet. But I like putting a lot of really higher end parts on it, and we're talking big brakes, we're talking raised wheels, obviously carbon fiber hood. I'm just kind of like keeping it as clean as I can while still beating the ever-living crap out of it. So
Yeah, this car's sweet. Let's do something. Let's go cruise or something like that.
okay.
That's what we're gonna do. We're gonna go cruise. All right, guys. So I'm up at Level Up Factory, and yeah, man, we're getting the tires put on the new wheels, taking off the old wheels on the shit 7. So I think it's gonna be sick. Hopefully, we're gonna be out driving around it. You doing eats. It's well ride, man. I'm gonna get on him about that. We're gonna get that back together.
Yeah, sea bass.
Tandem cats. All right, so we got tires on. Here from my man Jeremy, Ben. So like, listen, man. Let's talk about this. No, but we haven't gone over this. The last episode, we haven't gone over how sweet this is. Now listen, guys, building stuff like this takes a long time, but let's take some appreciation of what's going on here.
And like remembering how the well stainless steel goes, it's been a minute.
Right. Sick. So I'll keep you guys posted on that, and there's this thing. So that's this. We are going. I promise we're going to off-road this. We're going to do something with it.
I should have it bone up tonight. Got the brake master in.
Yeah, that looks good.
Transmission's in there. I just need to put the drive shafts in. Bolt that all up.
You can follow him at Facebook,
Level Up Factory,
on
Facebook,
Instagram.
Google.
So give him a follow and a like, or follows and like stuff. So, yeah. And there'll be more.
Yeah.
We're busy, so. Look at that. We got wheels on the car. I'm not going to lie. This looks so much better. So what are we doing today?
We're doing some autocross, man.
It's
Gonna be a great time.
This would be
driving
sweet.
today?
Yeah.
Good.
But it's your 8.6 turn.
You can see me smoke some cones.
Smoke some cones. Beat the Miata.
Yeah.
All right, guys, so we got the OG86 right here. We got Benny's GT86, and we got a new GR86.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing?
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palm. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head, I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test, I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing?
So if I play dead, will you regret everything that you did, that you said? I don't think you understand what you're doing, and my heart's black and blue from the bruising. I feel like when I'm with you I'm losing. I feel like you think that this amusing, sitting there gaslighting and confusing. Was it me? Is it me? Am I deluded? I'm the one who's always sorry, the conclusion. Even though I offer all of the solutions, I wish you loved me like I love you, it's stupid. When I'm alone with you I never feel lucid. I wish I wasn't struck by Cupid. I wish when I first saw you I knew this. When I'm with you I feel so useless, I feel diluted, my heart's been wounded. Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really I'm calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby, you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nightmares. See me right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me? Then will you get bored of killing me? Then will you get bored? Then will you get bored of killing me?
On the power.
Guys, so I ran a 42. My man here had one of the fastest times.
Yes,
Here, yes, he ran what was it again?
39.7.
39.7 40s.
40s all day.
He even beat out Big Yellow here. 40s all day. What was your best time?
4080.
40.80. That's what's up. That's what's up. All right, so we're going back to the pits. We're gonna say that you get the win between the 8-6 battle.
I'll take it.
You gonna take it? Oh,
Can't
yeah.
take it on the tailgate, but I'll take it here today.
We're gonna call it. Thanks for watching, and see you next week.